Welcome, yogi, to this short chair yoga practice for the back, neck and shoulders. For this practice, you just need a sturdy chair. You might also benefit from a block if reaching to the floor when you're seated is difficult. This is a great practice if you've been sitting at your desk all day, perhaps a little bit of a midday pick-me-up, or at any time that you just want to stretch your neck, back and shoulders. We're going to start our practice in a seated position on our chairs. Rest your hands palms face down on your thighs. Close your eyes for a moment. Let's take 3 deep breaths. Inhale and exhale. If you can, in and out through your nose. Inhale deeply into your belly and slowly out. One more, please. Deep breath in. Long breath out. And let's begin to move. Release your hands to your sides. Turn your palms facing outwards. Inhale, reach them up. And exhale, bring them together and to your heart. Good. Inhale, circle our hands down, out and up. Look up if you can. Exhale, hands to your heart. And another. Inhale, circle them out and up. Big breath into your belly and ribs. Exhale to your heart. Rest your hands on your knees again. Lift your chest up as you breathe in and arch your back. As you exhale, round your back. Tuck your chin to your chest and let there be a stretch into the middle and upper back. Inhale, lift your heart up. And exhale, round. And again, please, yogis. Inhale, arching up, elbows hug back. Exhale, round forwards, hands pushing forwards. Inhaling up. Exhale and round. Last one for now. Inhale and lift. And instead of rounding, exhale, neutral, and rest your elbows on your knees. We'll start to fold forwards here. If possible, you'll reach for the floor. As I mentioned at the start, you might also find a block helpful in this. If you'd like to bring the block under your hands, this can make it a little bit more accessible today. So hands on your block at any height or on the floor for a forward fold. And now just relax your back. Breathing into your low back, middle back and upper back into the shoulders. Let your head get a little bit heavy too. Release some of the tension. We'll take a twist. Left hand staying on the block or the floor, right hand onto the top of your knee, on the thigh. Press into the right hand and rotate your chest to the left, looking out to the side of a rim. If possible, start to look up over your right arm a little bit. Take a deep breath. Slowly exhale. Do that again, please. Inhale. And exhale, relax. Right hand back down to the block or the floor. Left hand will come on top of the left knee. Press into it, straight down towards the floor, straight down towards the heel, and rotate your chest to the left. Looking out to the side of a rim or slightly up. Breathing in and out. Another, please. In and out. On the end of your exhale, soften your hands down to the block. Reach forwards and up. All the way overhead, looking up again. Drop your chin to neutral. Right hand to the chair, left hand over the top, a side stretch. Now all the way into your waist and your ribs. Inhale, reach your right hand up. Left hand to the chair, right hand over the top, side stretch for your right side. We'll go each way again. Inhale, the left hand up. Right hand down, left hand over. And inhale, your right hand up. Left hand down, right hand over. Good, both hands overhead. Big breath in, hands down to your heart. Rest them again on your thighs. Tilt your head over to the right side, ear towards your shoulder. And find somewhere that feels a little stiff in your neck. You could drop your chin or lift it until you find somewhere that feels a little bit tight. And then pause there and breathe. 2 more deep breaths, stretching this left side of your neck. Relax your face. 1 more deep breath in. Relax your shoulders, exhale. Lift your head up to the center and over to the left side with your ear towards your shoulder. Keep your right shoulder down and heavy. Move your head around until you feel somewhere that needs to stretch, feel some tension. And then we'll hold there for those extra couple of breaths. Deep breath in. Relax in your shoulders, exhale. One more, please. Deep breath in. And exhale. Good. Lift your head up. Look over to your right side. Pause. Back to the center and look over to your left side. Back to the middle. Well, it'll add into these movements a bit. Cat-cows, but this time we'll add a bit more shoulder and upper back work. Bring our arms to 90-degree bends in the shoulders and the elbows. Inhale, lift your chest up like your cat-cow we did in the first round, but elbows pulled back. And when you exhale, squeeze your forearms as close to one another as you can, rounding your back. Inhale, open the chest up, elbows pulling back. Exhale, squeeze them nice and close. 3 more times. Inhale, open up, stretch across the front. Exhale, close it up, stretch across your back. Inhale, wide across the chest. Exhale, hug them close. Last one coming up, yogis. Inhale, nice and big. And as you exhale, bring them in. Take an inhale, lift up. Exhale, fold forwards again. Maybe you pause with your elbows on your knees while you get your back comfortable, and then reach down for the block or even the floor. Taking a couple of breaths, relaxing your neck, your shoulders, all the way down your back. And we'll twist once again. Left hand staying underneath your face, right hand onto the knee. Turn your chest to the right. Now on this round, you can maintain the same shape we did in the first round, or if you'd like a deeper stretch, right hand up to the sky. As far up as you can, really thinking about the right hand pulling back. This is twisting into the middle and upper back. One more breath. Stay in it, and as you exhale, you can release your right hand down. Same thing on the other side, please, yogi. You can put your left hand on your left knee and twist, holding this position. Or if it feels good to you, you can stretch your left hand up. If you get any discomfort in your shoulders, you can always bring the hand back down to the knee. Take a deep breath, or as deep as you can while you're twisting. Let it go. One more here. And exhale, relax it into your fold. Both hands back down. Stretch your hands forwards and up. Big breath in, reaching as high as you can. Relax a little, right hand to the chair, left hand over the top. Inhale up with the right hand. Left hand down, right hand over the top. Chest stabilizing you, letting you get a good stretch for your right side. Inhale, back up. Exhale, hands to heart. We'll continue for your shoulders. Left arm stretches out to the side, thumb facing up. Draw back through that hand and look out to the right. This will start to stretch into the front left side of your neck and across your left shoulder. Take another breath here, the hand pulling back, arms straight, looking right. And we'll bring the arm across, look to the center. Keep your left arm up and across your body. Now hook your right hand or forearm underneath the left forearm and look out to the left. So stretching into your left shoulder, the back of your left shoulder and the front right side of your neck. Come back open with the left hand, look forwards. Left hand still reaching out. Now turn your thumb down. Bring your hand across, if possible, to your low back. Now if this doesn't work in your shoulder, you can hold onto the chair instead. But left hand, back of your hand at your low back and as far across as possible. Tilt your head to the right, stretch the left side of your neck. Remember to breathe. Remember you can move your head around, you're not stuck in one place. We'll take 2 more deep breaths, stretching the left side of your neck. You're doing good, yogi. Wonderful. Lift your head, release carefully your left arm, and bring the hand back to your thigh. Same thing on the other side. Bring your right hand out to the side, thumb facing up about shoulder height. Look out to the left. Pull your arm back, really energizing into that right shoulder, looking as far left as you can, stretching all the way through the right front of the shoulder and neck. Another deep breath here. Good. Look to the center. Bring your arm across. Hook your left hand or forearm underneath, gently drawing that straight arm towards your chest. And look out to your right as you do. A couple of breaths here too. Releasing your right arm, take it back out to the right as you look straight forwards. Spin your right thumb down towards the floor and bring your hand across to your low back, as far across as you can. Like I mentioned on the other side, if this doesn't feel good for your shoulder, hold on to the side of a chair. That'll work just the same. Tilt your head to the left and move around until you feel that stretch that you're looking for. And once you're there, take another couple of deep breaths. Relaxing tension from your shoulders, from your neck, from your face, from your belly. Good. Lift your head, release your arm nice and carefully. Circle them both up to the sky. Deep breath in. Hands to your heart, exhale. Bring your hands to your knees. Close your eyes. Relax. We'll finish our practice together with 5 deep breaths. And as you breathe in, draw in the energy that you're looking for the rest of the day. If you're doing this as an evening practice, think calm, quiet, relaxed. If you're doing this as a lunchtime practice, think energized, joyful, whatever you need to bring into the rest of the day. Deep breaths in. Long breaths out. One more, please. Full breath in and out. Bring your hands up to a prayer position or namaskar right in front of your heart. Take a moment to thank yourself for moving, for coming to your mat, for being aware of your breath. Together, let's take a deep breath in and bow when we breathe out. Thank you for your practice, yogi. Namaste.